Getting started with Kaiber AI. Start by choosing a template or video type that aligns with your vision. Once you've chosen a template, the next step is to upload your own image, audio, or video content. This allows you to leverage your existing assets and bring them to life in a new and engaging way. Alternatively, you may choose to start with writing prompts and create a script from scratch. To truly customize your video, you have the option to describe your vision in detail or use the curated styles and prompt templates suggested by the platform. This helps you align your content with your desired style and message. Before finalizing your video, take time to adjust the settings according to your preferences. You can customize the length, dimensions, camera movements, and other parameters to create a video that fits your needs perfectly. Select your preferred starting frame. The platform provides you with 4 starting frames to choose from, each offering a different visual vibe. Once you are satisfied with your video creation, it's time to download and share it with the world. Exporting your video is simple. Simply click on the download button to start. Whether you want to share it on social media, embed it on your website, or use it for presentations, you have the flexibility to do so.